So a lot of people have been looking for land in the Northeast Tennessee area. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time just to walk through a gorgeous piece of property sitting roughly on 13 acres. Now, the builder is looking to kind of isolate property and break it up into tracts. So we're looking at potentially 3 to 5 tracts at 3 to 5 acres apiece. The builder is looking to put a barndominium on each tract of land. Now, the one we're going to look at just shortly here is roughly around 3-4 bedrooms, 6,600 square feet, and just look at this view. Look at that. So potentially on this side over here could be another area for a barndominium, and then over here behind me we're looking at potential another barndominium up there. Now let's go to the front and kind of check this out. I don't want to take up too much of your time. It is under construction. However, it is ready to be customized. So if you're interested in looking at a barndominium such like this, give us a shout out. So let's go take a look. Nice tall black doors. So what are we looking at? Potentially, what is that? 8 feet, 9 feet doors, 8 or 9 feet. And just look how this thing opens up. Check this out. So it's still under construction. So this will be the living room area. Up here, you're looking at what? 2 more windows are gonna be cut out up there. You can see it's all lit up. So here, it's probably gonna be the pantry, I'm guessing, kitchen over there. As we walk through the back. So follow me right quick. So we walk through the back, and this is gonna be the master bedroom area here. And then here, we will be looking at the bathroom. And then over here, potentially closet. That'd be the washing room or bathroom. Not quite sure what's going on there. Let's go upstairs. So I'm not quite sure how tall these ceilings are because I'm waiting to get the specs on this one. But just take a look at this if you can get an idea of what that looks like. So what are you thinking? Maybe 30, 35, 36 feet? Kind of walk up these stairs. I know I don't normally give house tours, but with something like this, I couldn't help myself. So just looking down, this is what that looks like, looking down into the living room area. Those windows will be cut out, overlooking the mountains there. Then I guess this would be like the kind of a den area here. Another bedroom here. And here and there. Looks like we have the laundry room over here. And then potentially, I guess that'll be a bathroom here with the drain right there. So you can see the ceilings. And it's still on construction. And again, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to learn more about living in Bristol, Kingsport, Johnson City, just tap the bell for notifications and subscribe below. Or if you're interested in customizing this, give us a shout out. My number is on the information here in the description. So let's go outside and kind of take a look at the track. Now, the builder is also potentially looking at selling the entire property, which is this barndominium here that we're in. Look at that view. Now the land goes out here, then it also goes up here, right? Back here. So this is also part of 13 acres along with that over there. Now this side's going to be, I believe it's the Tennessee side of the land of the 13 acres. Now this is also part of the property. You can see where the builder has already began to cut out and begin building for the next property here. So you can see the view here. So if you're looking for property in Northeast Tennessee, like I said, give us a call, text, or email. We'll be more than happy to help you make that transition. So as you come to the edge of the property, this is what the view would look like here. And it's going to go all the way down to the fence line, the black fence line. You can see it over there. Beautiful location. Now again, this sits on 13 acres. The builder is, like I said, open to selling the entire property as one unit. Now, if you're interested in the entire property, definitely reach out to us, but that would include this property over here. Now, this particular property, it's going to be a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, or 1.5 bath property. It's upstairs and downstairs. However, the upstairs is kind of like a loft area, so the ceilings are really low, so you really can't count that as the bedrooms, but they are finished. Or if you're looking at making this into a venue, I guess this will come along with it, and then I guess you can turn this into a guest house or turn it into a garage if you want to. So let's take a look at this here. So you're looking at brick. Looks like the roof has been redone potentially. Now this particular property is going to come with this here and the pond that is included with that. So it does have a pond for fishing, and it has been stocked with fish. Not quite sure. I think he said bass, but I'm not quite sure. Don't quote me on that. And then the land kind of goes back up into there, but we can look at that another time. So you can see this is going to be the front of the property. Now this could be sold individually. However, if you're looking to purchase the entire property to include that barndominium here, that is an option. So just take a look at that. The outside. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous property. And again, my name's Christopher, and we help families just like yours. So if you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, simply give us a call, text, or email, and we'll be more than happy to help you make that transition to Northeast Tennessee. Until next time, hope to see you around town.